The Okuma Robot Loader really addresses the challenges of labor shortage and skilled operators. And it comes in at a great price point. The ORL is really a great introduction into automation. It allows a lot of flexibility to switch in between different parts. By freeing up the operator from manually loading and unloading a machine, he can really take on value-add activities like inspecting parts or tending multiple machines. The great thing about the Okuma Robot Loader is that it's a super fast process and can be retrofitted on any Okuma machine that you currently have in your shop.
With an ORL in place, the operator can be either prepping the next job for that same machine, or they can be tending to another machine on the shop floor and making parts.
The system behind me, the R8, is the smallest variant of the system that we have. On the rotary cell, we have a 8 kilo, a 16 and a 29 kilo payload version. Typically, we see them up and running by day 3, so the last day is only training to make sure everybody's comfortable with the equipment.
ORL is a conversational programming that is handled right through the HMI on the unit itself.
It's all button and picture driven, and it guides you through the programming points. The most significant time saving through an ORL is by loading them up before you go home at night. So instead of the machine sitting, you can get a whole nother production run out of it while your operator's at home.
ORL is capable of handling any industry across the board.